In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall Pro Tools from your computer. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Windows computer like you usually would. Then from here, you need to make sure that you have Pro Tools and iLok License Manager closed down. It can also be down here in the show hidden icons and just quit it down there. Then from here, you need to go down to the start button and go up to uninstall and install apps right here. Then from here, you should be looking something like this. And up here, you need to search for the Pro Tools app like so. And as you can see here, you have Avid Pro Tools and Pro Tools Splice. Then from here, you simply need to go up to the More option and click Modify. Then from here, you can see this Pro Tools setup. Then from here, you need to click Next. And here you need to select one of the install options. And here you'll need to select Pro Tools, Preferences, Databases, and MIDI Devices Patch Settings. Click Next and click Remove. Then as you can see here is preparing to remove this app, and you'll also have the user control up where you'll need to click Yes. Now this can take a couple seconds to do. For me it was 10 seconds, as you can see here. And then from here it will start uninstalling. As you can see here, it is now removing the files, and also Avid Pro Tools has been deleted up here in the apps. And as you can see now, install shield wizard completed. But as you can see, it will still have Pro Tools Splice, and to uninstall that, you simply need to click over here in the three dots and uninstall, and click uninstall again. Then a user account control will pop up where you'll need to click yes. Now you sure you want to completely remove Splice and all of its components? Yes, like so. Splice uninstall complete. Now from here, you need to go up to the search bar again and click iLok. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!